It's my 10-year wedding anniversary today, and I'm just sitting here soaking in the reality that we made 10 years of married to life, 10 long, faithful years together. And I'm just so grateful. I feel so blessed. Every year, my marriage just keeps getting sweeter and sweeter. I feel like I'm still in my honeymoon phase. Like, I've always felt that with Aussie. We've always been so close. There's a level of like honesty and vulnerability that we both afford each other, that we both share with each other. And I truly feel like that has been what kept us together and just showing up for one another. Like, of course, in the 10 years, we would have had our ups and downs, but even in those sticky moments, we never made each other feel like any type of way, if you know what I mean. It's always sort of been like, we're going to get through this. We're going to get through this. And the story that comes to mind when I think about my marriage and my early days of dating with Aussie is the story of Rachel and Jacob, and how Jacob worked and served her father 7 years for the wrong sister, and then served another 7 years for the right one. And Aussie didn't quite serve that long, but he did serve. He did serve my father, and it was for over a year. He quit his job and he went back at my dad's farm and helped my dad for over a year to cater to his cows and to help look after the land. Left his family too, his mum, and that's really something that I will never forget. I will never forget. And that just is an example of how Aussie loves. And I know without a doubt how much he loves me. And it's just such a sweet thing, guys. I don't want to come up here and boast and make it look like my marriage is the best thing ever, but it is a good thing. It's the best thing in my life. We can't go for dinner tonight. As I said, he is working every day this weekend. He's at his day job. He'll come home and he's working Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I've got my friend's hens this weekend. So we're going to celebrate next weekend. And I am so looking forward to it. We have a little getaway planned. So happy 10-year anniversary, babe. I can't wait for your shout next weekend.